It seems like we've almost finished our 36 days of type, but no. To leave it perfectly polished, we need a good presentation. This way, we can make sure that our project, that has taken a lot of time and effort, looks appealing and stands out from the crowd. So when we have all the letters, if they're all in one file, better. Then we just need to add some final touches so that everything fits in. As I haven't finished the project for the next edition, I'll show you how I finished last year's one so you can see what I'm talking about. As you can see here, all my letters are in order, just as they would appear on Instagram. I choose to work with just 3 colors, so I've combined this in the background into a pattern of diagonal lines. The layers are also organized, and here you can see the color swatches I've made. I don't like deleting anything, so any tests that I did are in a separate layer. Once all the layers are done and organized properly, I'll prepare the project to upload it to social media and on my website. Documenting your creative process is very useful. You can get them around the idea how the project developed. Taking photos of your sketches is also a good thing, and they look great. Another reason why it's important to sketch. I also made a poster of the whole alphabet. As they all have the same background, I just changed the color of some of them, like the I. As I said, documenting the process is great as later. After editing a bit, you can also use it for the final presentation. Here you can see, for example, how I made the letter Q. Using mockups is also great for presentations. That's why I made a poster, which was the one I just showed you. Well, and this has been all for our 36 days of type. I hope you enjoyed the process and to see you next year on Instagram. Bye!